All right, let's get right into it. It has been a huge month for the folks over at Astra with a ton of progress and some really major wins. So today, we're going to break down their latest update, which covers everything from how the ecosystem is growing to a massive new exchange listing.
And you can feel the energy right from the jump. You know, this isn't some stiff corporate press release. It's a direct shout out to their community. And that really sets the tone for everything else we're about to talk about. Real progress, delivered with some genuine excitement. So, let's kick things off with what they're all about at their core. The team is making it crystal clear that Astra isn't just a token you watch on a price chart. Nope, it's about building a solid foundation of real, actual value.
And what does that actually mean? Well, it means they're laser-focused on the ecosystem, a whole network of products and tools that you can actually use. The whole strategy is about delivering solid, consistent utility, not just riding on hype.
And this isn't just some abstract idea either. We're talking about real-deal tools. Things like AI-powered trading, bots designed for influencers, fintech and banking solutions, and even collaborations with other developers. You can think of each of these as a pillar holding up the whole structure.
And you know what? All of that foundational work is really starting to pay off. It has led to this, a huge milestone, and it's the centerpiece of their latest update, a major new exchange listing.
And there it is, simple as that. Astra is now officially live on Bluefin, which happens to be one of the fastest growing exchanges out there right now. This is a massive step forward for the project's visibility and just making it easier for people to get involved. And for those wondering about the timeline, here are the key dates. Deposits actually opened up back on September 1st, and then full trading kicked off on September 8th. So yeah, by the time you're hearing this, it is live and kicking.
But let's be real. A new listing is only as good as the exchange it's on, right? And the sheer scale here is what could make this a total game changer. So why is getting on Bluefin such a big deal?
Okay, let's just look at the numbers for a second. Bluefin handles over $500 million in spot trades every single day. But get this, its futures volume is even crazier, regularly topping $2 billion. And all that trading is being driven by a massive global user base of over 2 million traders. This listing gives Astra a direct line to a huge, active, and brand new community. So the bottom line is, this isn't just about getting more eyes on the project. It's about plugging Astra directly into an engine of institutional-grade security, deep liquidity, and some serious market trust. It's a whole new ballgame.
Okay, so we've talked about the huge exchange news, the big picture. Now let's zoom all the way back into a feature that directly affects you, the user. This is all about putting more power right into your hands, or, well, more accurately, right into your wallet.
It's a new feature on Astra.ai, and it's called wallet binding. The whole idea is actually pretty simple. You just link your wallet, doesn't matter if it's internal or external, to lock in your status tier and unlock way better trading benefits.
So what this does is create a really smart reward system for people who hold the tokens. By binding your wallet and holding more of the ecosystem's tokens, you get better perks. We're talking about getting higher priority in copy trading and even getting up to a 25% discount on your trading fees. It's a great incentive to really be a part of the ecosystem. Now, as big as all of this is, the exchange listing, the new wallet features, the message from the team is pretty clear. This is just the beginning. This is all about setting the stage for what's coming next. And this just hammers home their whole philosophy. They're focused on execution. They're all in on delivering real, meaningful upgrades instead of just, empty promises and a bunch of marketing fluff.
And looking ahead, they've laid out a super clear roadmap. They're going to keep building out features across these 4 key areas: trading, fintech, artificial intelligence, and the core infrastructure. It gives you a really clear vision for where they're headed long term. And that really brings us to the final takeaway here. With a working ecosystem, with real-world utility, and now with a major exchange listing, all the foundational pieces are locked in. This isn't about potential anymore. It's about having a solid base to build on for future innovation.
And that leaves us with the most exciting question of all, doesn't it? With a foundation this strong already established, the possibilities for what they can build on top of it are just wide open. What comes next is definitely going to be something to watch.